Welcome back to another edition of Travel Products with Damon the Global Gardener on the Global Gardener channel here. Now we're going to do a travel product that I've struggled with for, this is like coming on my 7th or 8th travel season, and washing clothes, very important. Don't want to I don't actually buy a lot of things when I'm out because I don't know if I did a breakdown of my suitcase on another. I think I know I did the big blue bag one season, and then I have a different system now, but it's always been a struggle. I don't like stinky laundry stuff. I don't like dryer sheets. I like natural items, natural. I don't like to go around the world poisoning stuff. I'm already burning up jet fuel, so these are not dryer sheets. These are liquidless laundry detergent. So they really are just sheets. They're just it's not paper because it dissolves in water, but it's got stuff in it. It's like they put the soap in it and then dried these out or something. So they're very light and papery. I put them in here too because I only need a few. I don't need the whole box. Here's the whole box. This is I kind of price compared and shopped, and I put the link down below for you for this one. I calculated per sheet, per load of laundry, what the most economical one was, and they're like 25 cents a load or something. I can't remember exactly, but actually, I think these were less than that. That's what the normal ones were. So anyway, because you get two boxes for the same price as you get the other ones. So that link's below, and it's my special link. Again, the channel gets a little bit of revenue to keep giving you great information and keep me going around the world, and it doesn't cost you anything extra. So thanks for your purchases and contributions to this channel, but also to your travel repertoire of knowledge and productos. Going to Central America this season, so I've got a Spanish tutor. I can actually put my link to my Spanish tutor in the description as well, because that's really helpful, very much indeed. So I don't know what else to say. You're not using plastic is the big one of the big selling points. Like, you're not shipping liquid, which is like weighty and heavy, and you're not. I'm trying to open it for you so I can show you these things. We're unboxing here, and so here's just more sheets. These are slightly larger, and it's like one per. Ooh, they're like smooth and silky. One per load. If you have like an extra big load, you can throw another half in there or something. Some people, when you do smaller loads, you can just do a half sheet, and then this box will probably last for a year at that rate. If you do laundry every week, 52 weeks in a year, it was a year's worth of laundry. And it's light and in a box, and then I'm going to use up the whole box. It's not even all the way to the side, and then it's got they could put another bunch of more sheets in there. I don't know why they make an extra large box for that, but anyway, then I put what I need for where I'm going in a baggie, a Ziploc, and then you just have what you need instead of carrying liquid around that could leak or is heavy, or the airline says, oh, you can't bring that liquid on. Well, I don't have liquid. I have just what looks like paper. So these are going to pass any inspection and be light to carry. And so I try to get things that are either multifunctional or as small and light as possible, because I don't want to drag a giant bunch of. I see these people with the largest suitcase you could get, and then they have two of them, and it's like, you're going for a week. How many outfits could you possibly want to take to the tropics? Like a couple swimsuits and a pair of shorts. I don't know, but anyway. I don't. Maybe they're bringing back stuff. I don't get it. But anyway, smallest and lightest possible things, and then these are they're natural. That's the other part of it, is the enzyme action of the cleaning And then I also get the free and clear is the link that I'm putting below, because you don't need extra stinky stuff. It's just silly. So non-toxic is what I always go for. Like the masks I talked about before are no latex, hypoallergenic. The steel nail clippers are very clean and sharp and useful. I suppose that's a one-use kind of thing. I don't know what else you can trim tags off of clothing or something. Maybe threads off clothing that could get frayed, but because they won't let you bring scissors, so there's not a lot of scissor things you can do with them. I try to do like multi-use or efficiently packed things that I love to have around. I don't want a lot of things, but I want really high quality things. So these are some of the high quality things I have. The nail clippers, the masks are essential these days. There's a few things I needed to add just to keep traveling, and then the cellulose sprays. You should see those videos for sure. That was a very informative session there. And we're gonna do bug spray. We're gonna do a whole series. We'll look at all the bug sprays, because in Africa they were definitely needed. Mosquito sprays, deterrents, and then I'm heading to Central America where they're definitely going to be needed as well. So I'm ready to keep clean. I've done other videos on hygiene products, natural hygiene products for travel, as far as shaving and brushing and things like that. So check those out too, and I look forward to seeing you there.